Let's find out. Sleeve and 2 clips. Glove. Then it comes with another stuff. Okay, and I'm gonna read the directions right here. So it says, this straightening comb incorporates a heating technology that reaches 350 degrees within 30 seconds and ready in 60 seconds. It saves time when it straightens more hair at once with less comb passes. That's good to know. It saves time when it straightens more hair. Okay. Ceramic teeth with patented V shape make hair silky, shiny, satin, reduce breakage and split ends up to 50%. It can reach more hair roots to provide better results. Beautiful silky hair is achieved in minutes while reducing damage. No matter the hair type, it has 5 heat settings, ranging from 266 degrees Fahrenheit to 410 degrees Fahrenheit for soft, thin, fine, bleached, dyed, curly, thick, or wavy hair to silky and natural straight hair. Tymo Ring is a new generation tool. Dry your hair first. Simply slide the comb down your hair from root to tip at a moderate pace. That's it. It will give you straight hair you desire while minimizing the risk of heat damage. Okay, so that's what the box say. Okay. Oh, it also came with this. I don't know what this is. I guess this is just a little. Oh, it's cute though. It's a little soft bristle, I guess, to like. Okay, we're gonna use it. Okay, so it said it had 5. Oh, okay. So this is the power button. Okay, and then I guess that's where you increase the temp, decrease the temp, and these are, I don't know. So let's plug it in and find out what's the deal. What's T? So they say. Okay, so I'm gonna plug it in. Okay. So it's plugged in, and it's already like, I haven't touched that, so it's blue. So maybe I should have been slow. Hold on. So the setting that I used was the highest setting for my hair. So I went all the way up to number 5 on it. And as you will see that I'm only going to do 2 passes, but you really do want to make sure that your hair is detangled, because those teeth on this Tymo or Tymo brush are really close together, so it really needs to be detangled to get best results. So far, I'm liking the results. It's definitely helping straighten my hair. As you can see right here, you can tell the curly texture of my hair versus that part in the back that I just did. You know, like, see, you can see the difference. So it's really doing something. But let's see if it's going to do what a flat iron would do, like if you silk pressing your hair. So let's just see. Okay, after 2 passes, you can see the texture that's still in my hair. So it's straight, but it's not all the way straight. So that's what the result that I'm getting so far. So let's finish up and see what happens. So here you can definitely see where there's texture there and still frizzy. And I went over there like one more time just to kind of see if it'll help. It helped a little bit, so I don't know. I don't want to go more than 2 times on my hair. So I'm not sure if I went a couple of more times, would it straighten it out more? But at this point, I'm only going to do 2. And it's giving texture, especially towards the middle of my hair, towards the end as well. The top part looks pretty straight, so we'll see. Okay, so this side of my hair is done. As you can see at the bottom, it's giving texture, but it's not bad. It's not a bad thing. So let's jump into the other half of my hair and we will see the results on that side. Typically, this side of my head is like thinner if that makes sense, than the side that I just did. Like the side I just did is usually thicker. But look at my hair. I am so proud of my hair. I am so proud of the journey, my hair growth journey. So let's get into finishing with this Tymo brush and get these results. Okay, so I have done my whole head, and these are the results of the Tymo brush on my hair. So as you can see, I still have texture. Okay, so if it's not going to give you the flat iron silky flatness that you would get like at your stylist or if you was doing it at home, in my opinion. But I do like the way my hair feels. It's not as kinky and coily, so I would definitely use this again. Look at that. I need to get a trim. I know I already have, but yeah, I like it. I give it a 4.5 out of 5 right now. It's really good if you want to just take some texture out of your hair. It'll help definitely, but I would give this another shot. I'm gonna use it again. I think I could get better results, so I'll upload that when I do it. But I give this brush a go. It's a thumbs up for me because I like it.